Hi, welcome to www.canadianelectricalpreexam.com. My name is Randy. I'd like to do a couple of RPM questions with a couple different poles, show you how they're done, and then we can do it with a percent slip so you understand what's going on. The formula you're going to use is RPM equals 120 times frequency over number of poles. First off, the 120 is not the voltage. Okay? It's a constant mathematical number. The F stands for frequency, and we all should know what the frequency is here in Canada. And my question is, the first one, what if I had a motor that say had 10 poles? How fast is that thing actually going to go? So 120 times frequency in Canada is 60. Number of poles is 10. This now gives us a total answer of 720 RPM. What if I told you I had 8 poles? Okay. This would equal 120 times 60 over 8, which gives me 900. So as you see, the more poles you have, the slower it goes. The less poles you have, the faster the motor goes. Alright? Let's just put a bar there for a second. Let's do the same one. Alright? We'll call this question 1, question 2. Let's do question 1 all over, but with a 5% slip. So, we would write RPM equals 120 times frequency over number of poles times 5%. A lot of guys will get this mixed up real bad by doing this. So, what I do is I say break it down in 2 sections. Do this, then put the 5% to it so there's no mistakes. So, the first one had 10 poles. Alright? So this section here, we already know is 720. So we can go 720 times the 5%. Alright? This gives us 36. Alright? So now we've got a motor that can possibly do 720, but it's got a slip of 36. So what we do is we take the 720 minus the 36 will now give us 684. Okay? Question 2 now, with 8 poles, we know the 8 poles now will give us 900. Times 5% slip. Alright? Gives us 45. So my motor will turn 900, but it's got a slip of 45. So now we can take the 900 minus the 45, which now, I'll move this over here, gives me 855 RPM total. So, what can we derive out of this? First off, the number of poles, the larger there is, the slower the motor goes. Less poles, faster it goes. And that's all it is. 5% slip. Never forget it if they have it in the question on you. This can be between 1 and 5%, guys. And this is actually the percentage slip. Slip is actually between the rotor and stator. One has to follow the other. And you can have only a maximum up of 5%. So I did the worst case on my question because if that's a maximum, I'll put it in. I could have done 1%, 2%, 3%, 4% also. But I decided because slip's maximum is 5%, I'll give you the worst case. Alright? Thank you very much for watching. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, give me a call. Shoot me an email. Alright? Be happy to help you out the best I can. Take care. Good luck. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. And keep the questions coming. Alright? I'm more than happy to help you with anything you have that you have an issue with to the best of my ability. And some of you guys know if I don't know it, I tell you straight off I don't know it. If I do, I'm happy to show it or tell you over the phone, shoot you an email the best I can. Again, thanks for all the inquiries, guys. I really appreciate it. And you guys out west, yeah, keep on hanging in there. Alright? Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you soon.